Here's how to stop automatic call recording on Samsung in just 1 minute. Today I'm going to show you how to disable call recording alerts on your device so your calls stay private. First, open Settings and go to Apps or Applications, then find your default phone app and tap on it. Check under Permissions or Advanced Settings for options labeled Call Recording, Recording Announcement, or Call Recording Tone and simply switch them off if available. If your Samsung doesn't allow these options, you can use a reliable third-party call recording app from the Play Store. Open the app, go to its settings, and turn off any recording notifications or announcements. After making these changes, restart your phone to ensure the settings take effect. Then make a test call to confirm that call recording alerts are no longer active. This process keeps your calls private and lets you manage call recordings easily. And that's it! You're now able to stop automatic call recording on Samsung in just 1 minute.